10 billion light-years from Earth, astronomers found a galaxy that simply stopped growing. No new stars had formed there in a very long time, and for years, nobody knew why. The galaxy is called MRG M0138. To understand what happened inside it, a team of astronomers turned to the most powerful telescope ever built, the James Webb Space Telescope. But even Webb couldn't see clearly enough on its own. It needed help. That help came from an accident of geometry. A massive galaxy cluster happens to sit directly between Earth and MRG M0138, and its gravity is strong enough to bend space itself, acting like a natural lens. This lensing effect magnified the distant galaxy by 30 times and split its image into 4 separate copies, giving astronomers a view they could never have gotten otherwise. Using the sharpest of those 4 images, the team looked directly into the galaxy's core. What they found wasn't glowing, and it wasn't visible at all. It was a black hole, completely dark, giving off no light and pulling in no gas. That silence created a problem. How do you measure the mass of something that emits nothing? The answer was to stop looking for the black hole itself and start watching the stars around it instead. Stars close to a black hole move faster than stars farther away, and by measuring that difference in speed, astronomers can calculate exactly how much mass is pulling on them. This technique had only ever worked on black holes much closer to home. The previous record for measuring a dormant black hole this way stood at 700 million light-years. MRG M0138 is 15 times farther than that, which makes this the most distant black hole ever weighed using this method. And the number that came back was enormous. The black hole at the center of MRG M0138 weighs 6 billion times the mass of our Sun. For comparison, the black hole at the center of our own galaxy is 4.3 million solar masses. This one is more than 1,000 times heavier, and right now, it's completely asleep. That's where the story gets more interesting. The researchers also noticed that the galaxy surrounding this black hole had stopped forming stars a long time ago, and they believe the two facts might be connected. One possibility is that this black hole wasn't always dormant. It may once have been active, pulling in gas and releasing enormous amounts of energy powerful enough to push much of the galaxy's gas supply out entirely. Without that gas, there's nothing left to build new stars from. It's important to be clear that this part is still a hypothesis, not a confirmed result, but it fits the pattern the team observed, and it lines up with what astronomers have suspected for years, that black holes and the galaxies around them don't grow independently, they grow together. What the research does confirm is that this relationship between black hole mass and galaxy properties already existed 10 billion years ago, the same relationship we see in galaxies much closer to us today. The study was led by Andrew Newman at Carnegie Science, in collaboration with University College London, and published in the journal Science. A galaxy went dark 10 billion years ago. Thanks to this discovery, we may finally understand why.